Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series, I'll show you my journey of getting this machine, cleaning and restoring it, and putting it into work. Here is part 1, cleaning, rust removal and prevention. In part 0, I talked about why this machine is in the current condition. If you haven't seen it, please follow the link in the description or in the information card. As you can see, there's quite some rust on a lot of parts. Before I tackle any of them, let me do the lightest lifting first, vacuuming all the wood chips away. This segment is now sped up. Please feel free to jump to the next chapter if you don't like the vacuum noise. The lifting post under the planer table has been lightly sanded. There are still some rust stains, but it feels smooth. I'm not removing more material from it to maintain the dimensions. Here I'm degreasing it, and later applying some 3-in-1 oil to lubricate it. There is some very dirty grime and grease on this threaded rod, and it has to go. I start with a shop towel, rubbing the grease away as much as possible. Instead of twisting my hand around the thread, I fold the shop towel a few times, stick the folded edge into the thread, and crank the handle wheel. As the table lowers, a lot of the grime and grease gets pushed to the top of the threaded rod for easy removal. It may be possible to clean the thread completely with a shop towel, but I believe a wire wheel on an angle grinder will do this job better, faster, and of course, louder. Dry lube is applied here instead of oil or grease. I hope this prevents dust from getting attracted to the thread. I start with Windex to clean the splatters off, but it's not being very effective. This is not tire wet, by the way. It's diluted purple power in a tire wet spray bottle. At this stage, I try to keep all bolts in position for rust removal. The best solution for the job is rust removal gel. It can be applied to vertical surfaces fairly easily, and spreading it with a brush helps a lot. It takes a few to several minutes to take effect, depending on the rust condition. I then clean the gel residue off, cold blue the bolt heads, and lightly coat them with 3-in-1 oil. It's a rust prevention measure I learned from this old Tony. paint on this handle is far gone, and it's better to just brush it off and treat the metal surface directly. Slightly off camera, I put the nuts back on the handle screw and wire brush them clean. handle still works, and I call it a success. That concludes part 1, cleaning, rust removal, and prevention. In part 2, I'll be diagnosing jointer infeed table lift issue, taking more parts off, and discovering more issues I don't want to face. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share if you want to see more.